The best power bank for an iPhone 17 isn't the biggest one. It's the one you'll actually carry. We tested Qi, 2 magnetic pucks, and USB-C cable banks on the iPhone 17 lineup. Here are the picks. The iPhone 17 takes power 3 ways. Wired USB-C power delivery is fastest. MagSafe reaches 25 watts with a 30-watt brick. And Qi2 wireless tops out at 15 watts through a magnetic puck. The bank you carry decides which one you get. Here's the rule people miss. Pick by carry style, not wattage. A Qi2 puck snaps on with no cable but charges slower. In our test, it took about twice as long to reach halfway as a wired bank. Either way, your phone charges fine. Top pick, the Anker MagGo Qi2 10K. It snaps on a MagSafe and delivers the full 15-watt Qi2 rate with no cable. A built-in kickstand props the phone up for FaceTime, and 10,000 milliamp hours gives most owners a full extra charge. Best value, the Anker 20K with a built-in USB-C cable. The cord lives on the bank, so no hunting for a cable. 87 watts also charges a MacBook Air at near full speed, and 20,000 milliamp hours covers 2 full iPhone 17 Pro charges. The slim daily pick is the INIU 45-watt 10K. It hit 50% on an iPhone 17 Pro in 28 minutes through a 60-watt cable, and it sits flat against the phone in one pocket. Just remember, you bring your own USB-C cable. For a cable backup, the Charmast 10K carries USB-C, Lightning, and micro USB cables built right into the bank. It covers an iPhone, an Android, and older gear. The 20-watt output is slower, so it's best for overnight bedside top-ups. Flying, power banks ride and carry-on only, never checked. TSA caps, lithium banks at 100 watt-hours per device. A 20K bank works out to about 74 watt-hours, well under the line, so all 4 picks clear the gate with no paperwork. So which one? Phone in a coat pocket and want no cable? Go MagGo Qi2. Packing a tablet or laptop too? The Anker 20K is your kit. Want the slimmest phone-only bank? Grab the INIU. Juggling old devices, the Charmast packs every cable. That's the lineup. You'll find all 4 picks, the full Qi2 versus wired breakdown, and live prices at phone.tips. Thanks for watching.